Hey everyone, if you're planning your dream home or just exploring flooring or countertop options, there are chances you might have heard about granite and marble, especially the elegant and clean look of white stones. Today, we are diving deep into the real world comparison between white granite and Indian white marble. Which one's better, which one's affordable, which one lasts longer, and which is better for your flooring, kitchen, or bathroom. Whether you're building a home, designing a hotel, or renovating your parents' old house, this video will help you make an informed decision. What are we talking about? Marble and granite may seem similar at first glance, but they're very different in how they are formed, how they behave, and how they perform over a period of time. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed when limestone is subjected to intense pressure and heat inside the Earth's crust. It's softer than granite, has a smooth flowing, often cloud-like patterns. White granite is an igneous rock formed when molten magma slowly cools down deep under the ground. The slow cooling process creates a tough, durable, and dense material that's packed with quartz, feldspar, and other minerals. In short, marble is like a delicate, luxurious fabric, whereas white granite is more like a performance gear, tough, stylish, and built to last. When comparing white granite and Indian white marble, cost is a major factor, especially when you're budgeting for a large area, like an entire house, hotel, or commercial projects. In India, Indian white marble's basic cost is from 60 rupees to 100 rupees per square feet, and the premium cost is from 120 rupees to 300 rupees per square feet. For white granite, the entry-level cost is from 140 rupees to 180 rupees per square feet, and from mid to premium is from 200 rupees to 350 rupees per square feet. White marble may seem cheaper upfront, but remember, it requires frequent sealing, high maintenance, repairing or replacement if required in long term, and that increases long-term cost. In international market, the Indian white marble's FOB import prices ranges from $4 to $6 per square feet, and the premium polished varieties ranges from $8 to $12 per square feet. In the retail market like the US, UK, or UAE, the prices can go up from $15 to $25 per square feet after shipping, taxes, and retail markup. For white granite, the export prices are from $8 to $12 per square feet. High-end granite like Viscon White and Calacatta White ranges from $14 to $20 per square feet FOB. In international showroom, the white granite retails from $18 to $35 per square feet depending on the finish and origin. White granite has a higher upfront cost, both in India and abroad. A lower long-term maintenance, a stronger resistance to damage, and a longer lifespan. That's why many international designers, architects, and real estate developers choose white granite for kitchen, flooring, staircase, and outdoor application where strength and reliability matters the most. Appearance and style versatility. Appearance matters, and marble does have a soft, elegant, and luxurious vibe. Its veinings are natural and romantic, and that is why it's used in everything from 5-star hotels to classic villas. But white granite has evolved. It now comes in stunning varieties that gives the same luxurious appeal, but with more versatility. Popular white granite varieties. Let's go through some beautiful and practical white granite varieties from India.
Dhamiya White, subtle grey specks, cool tone, ideal for minimal interiors. Sterling White, clean, neutral white with light black crystals, which is great for kitchen tops. Burgundy White, white base with a rich burgundy tinge, a unique and luxurious look. Viscon White, one of the most popular exports, has wavy grey veins on a white background, often mistaken for marble. Calcutta White, bold striking patterns, high-end finish, which is perfect for statement areas.
Popular Indian white marble varieties. Now let's explore one of the most elegant white and light-toned Indian marble that rivals even imported stones. If you're aiming for understated luxury, then Alberta marble is your perfect match. Sourced from the famous Makrana region, this marble has a creamy off-white base, kissed by golden or light brown veins. Imagine a marble that sparkles white with soft lavender streaks. Elegant, subtle, and entirely unique. That's Banswara Marble. Not every beautiful thing has to be expensive, and Dungri Marble proves that. Indo-Italian Marble are engineered sections from Indian quarries that mimic the soft veins, polished tones, and creamy hue of premium Italian varieties. Imagine a marble with dramatic black streaks dancing over a pristine white background. That's Indian Panda marble. All these marbles are available in finishes like polished, honed, and leather, depending on your aesthetics and applications. Durability and strength. This is where white granite blows marble out of the water. Granite scores around 6 to 7 on the Mohs hardness scale. It's used in industrial buildings, airports, commercial kitchens for a reason. Marble, on the other hand, is much softer, around 3 to 4 on the Mohs scale. It's prone to surface scratches, water absorption, stains from coffee, turmeric, or oil, and etching from acidic cleaners or lemon juice. If you drop a heavy utensil, marble can chip or crack. But with granite, you would barely notice a dent. Granite is more heat resistant, so you can place a hot pot or pan without wearing. But marble will develop thermal cracks or stains from high heat. So if you're thinking about long-term strength in kitchen, bathroom, hallway, and commercial areas, granite is a smarter and stronger choice. Thickness and size options. Both white granite and Indian white marble are available in different thicknesses depending on the use. Common thickness: 16 mm, 18 mm, and 20 mm. Granite slabs, usually cut in 10 to 12 feet in length and 2.5 to 3 feet in width. Marble slabs, available in small sizes due to natural cracks and structure. Granite is more versatile in seamless installations like large flooring, kitchen counters, and shower walls, whereas marble is more used in smaller tiles or book-matched patterns. Best application. Let's talk practical use cases where granite works the best. Kitchen countertops, flooring in heavy traffic areas, bathroom walls and vanities, outdoor steps, facades, and window sills. Where is marble more suitable? Living room flooring if maintained well, wall cladding, puja room or temple area. Bottom line, marble is decorative, but granite is functional. Why choose Petros stone? If you're looking for premium white granite, Petros stone is India's one of leading natural stone brand. We offer bridge-cut precision slabs for seamless installation, hand-selected high-quality raw blocks, wide variety of white granites and marble finishes, transparent pricing with no hidden costs, and world-class service with after-sales support. From luxurious home to 5-star hotel, Petros stone has been trusted across 38 plus countries for consistent quality and craftsmanship. Final verdict. Let's be real. Both white granite and Indian white marble are beautiful natural stone, and both has its place. But if you're looking for long-term durability, scratch resistance, minimal upkeep, and strength in high traffic areas, easy cleaning, and still want that premium white look, then white granite is a strong, smart, and practical choice for you. Use marble for decorative areas where aesthetics matter more than function. But for bathroom, kitchen, staircase, and outdoor areas, white granite wins the game. So that's the deep dive on white granite and Indian white marble. Hope this helped you to make the right decision for your home or your project. If you have learned something new, drop a comment below and tell us which one would you choose and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and do share this video with someone who's building their dream home.